So now we're gonna get ready to transition into our Keep It a Buck segment for today. So as I mentioned on yesterday for our Keep It a Buck segment, this week is questions week. We're breaking it all the way back down to the fundamentals. Yesterday, we started with why, right? Identifying why we're doing what we're doing. Today's Keep It a Buck is how. The question is how, right? So once you identify why you are doing what you're doing, and you maybe come up with that game plan to get from A to B, then now you need to identify how you're going to execute it, right? So you start with the why, and then you need the how. You need that plan. I need a step-by-step process. I want to set me a definite goal, okay? And then I want to break that goal down to step-by-step process, and then I want to stick to the plan, right? What's the easiest way to eat an elephant?
Bite by bite.
One bite at a time. So when you set a goal, I don't care how big or how small that goal is, you need to set a definite goal so you can set that North Star so you can lock in and laser focus, and then create a step-by-step plan on how you're going to get from A to B, okay? And then you eat that elephant, that goal, one step, one trade, one day at a time, okay? So you need to know why you're doing what you're doing, and then the very next step is you need to set a definite goal and identify how you're going to get from where you are currently to where you actually want to be, okay? And this is a slowing the game down. How does that carry over to trading and investing, right? Because these things are life lessons, but our life lessons also help us with trading, and our trading also helps us with our life lessons, right? So how does that relate to trading? Well, if I'm identifying how I say, hey, you know what, I want to trade and invest, and I want to do this so that my why is me taking control of my financial future. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do that through trading and investing. So then you need to set a goal of how much you want to make or when you want to start on trading and investing, and then you need to learn how to actually do that. Get you a strategy, get you an edge, get you a mentor, get you a lesson to learn, get you a strategy, and learn step by step how to execute that strategy that gives you a high probability of success, and then stick to the plan, okay? Yesterday, we'll start with why. Today, how are we going to do what we're going to do once we set the goal of where we want to go, okay? And that is our Keeping It a Buck segment for today.